The topic that I'll be talking about is effects of pesticide use on animals. The definition of pesticides are chemical or biological substances used to control or eliminate pests that threaten crops, livestock, and public health. Insects, fungi, rodents, and weeds are considered pests that can damage plants, spread diseases, or harm animals and humans. Pesticides are classified into different categories based on their target pest, such as bird repellents, algicide, or a pesticide to kill algae, and bactericides, which is used to kill bacteria. The most common pesticides used are rodenticides, used to kill rats and related animals, herbicides, used to kill plants, an example being weeds, insecticides, used to kill insects, and fungicides, used to prevent fungi. In 2018 and 2019, rodenticides and insecticides were in the top 10 causes of pet poisoning. A few products that can cause poisoning in dogs and cats are Tomcat, which is used to control rodents, Roundup, which is an herbicide applied to lawns, and Frontline, which is a topical flea and tick prevention, which is applied in between the shoulder blades of a dog or cat. The pesticide exposure in animals. Animals can be exposed to pesticides in several ways, a few of them being dermal exposure or direct contact to skin, inhalation, oral exposure, and eye exposure. The risk of health problems is dependent on the amount of exposure and the toxicity of the pesticide to that specific type of animal. It may also be dependent on their weight and their breed. A few clinical symptoms that dogs and cats can experience if they do consume enough of a pesticide is excessive salivation, tremors, uncoordinated walking, diarrhea, vomiting, lethargy, as well as seizures. They may also experience difficulty breathing and often die due to paralysis of the respiratory muscles. On top of dogs and cats, wildlife can also be impacted by pesticides through direct or indirect application, such as pesticide drift, secondary poisoning, or runoff into local bodies of water. Symptoms they can experience are reproductive effect or kidney and liver damage. They may also share the same clinical symptoms as dogs and cats that were listed above. If an animal is experiencing any of the symptoms above, please follow these steps. First, stop further exposure, remove the pesticide as quickly as possible, stabilize the animal as best as you can, and seek professional help as quickly as possible. You want to avoid using home remedies. While it may be tempting to try home remedies or wait for symptoms to pass, it is crucial to seek professional help as quickly as possible. Pesticide poisoning can be fatal if not treated promptly and properly. I do provide 2 pet poison control centers that you can call. First one being Pet Poison Helpline and the ASPCA, or the Animal Poison Control Center. You can also contact your local emergency veterinary hospital or your primary animal hospital. I do provide my resources on the next page if you are interested in learning more on the effects of pesticide on animals. Thank you.